So yeah. The other one would be rejected. I'm sorry.
Run that back turbo.
Playmakers. Okay. Out on my wrist, counted and spin it. Mad at the coupe, mine with no tennis. Chop out the top, hit it the limits. I got some cash, I wanna spend it. New paper tag, didn't wanna rent it.
Alright, before you guys watch the video, make sure to watch this little couple seconds. You know, I'm gonna let you guys know that I'm not gonna upload no more. I quit. No, I'm just kidding. I'm gonna go on vacation, so I'll be back next year, 2019. You guys wait for 2019. We're gonna go hard. So yeah, stay tuned for that. The video's kind of wavy. I don't know why, but it's whatever. So make sure you guys subscribe. And man, it's your boy Edward in the back here with another video. I'm here with my boy Andy. Here with my boy
Angel.
Alright, my badge is about to die. Alright, so we're gonna try to film this quick video. We're gonna go on the Monkey app. We're gonna ask girls who's most likely to be loyal to Alexis Davis. Oh, the respect.
Respect.
Hey, Alexis, you got a man right here, you know. Alright,
With big heart.
be rejected or to cheat?
Nah, I ain't a cheater though.
You're not a cheater? Alright, let's see what these girls say. Who's most likely to cheat, be loyal, or be rejected? Who's on me? Alright, gotta start. Who's the girl guy? Hello?
Buzz down, Tatiana.
Bust down, Tatiana. Bust down, Tatiana.
Hello?
Alright, add some time real quick. Alright, I got a question for you, okay? We're gonna play a game. Alright, out of us three, who's most likely to cheat, be loyal, or be rejected? You just gotta answer like by our looks, like who's most likely to cheat, be loyal, or be rejected. Just, you know, easy question.
Him right there.
Him right there, what?
Go over. Here. No, right there. No, go back. No, over. The other way.
What?
Him right there.
Him right here?
He looks like, bro, not never mind. I'm not even gonna answer this. Y'all acting stupid.
Dumbass motherfucker.
What? She was like, him right there. Wait, go. Alexa. Yo, add some time. We got a game for you. Alright.
Bro, she can have my kid.
Wait, hold up. Out of us three, who's most likely to cheat, be loyal, or be rejected?
You want my child support money? Oh, shit.
Wait, come again, what?
Who's most likely to cheat, be loyal, or be rejected? Out of us three. Let's start out with him.
You look like, your friend to the right looks like a cheater.
This one right here? What? Wait, this one?
Like you're right.
You're right. So
You're
me.
right,
So him? He's my right here. Yeah. So you're a cheater? I'm a cheater?
Yeah.
Damn. Alright, what about me?
Okay. What were the other two?
Be rejected or be loyal? Wait, add some time.
I forgot the other two.
Stupid
You look like
bitch.
Oh. Yo, add some time real quick. Yo, add some time. That bike was... The question is, out of us two... Bro, what the fuck?
Dude, you see her phone?
Let's take a little square. Yo, add some time real quick.
What's up?
We got a question for you. We got a game for you, okay? For both of you guys. Alright, you guys ready? Alright, out of us three, who's most likely to cheat, be rejected or be loyal?
The middle one is to cheat.
It's to cheat.
To
The
cheat?
middle one, you're most likely to cheat.
Oh, you cheater, bro.
Alright, what about him?
Yes. And then I move to Pablo. He's most likely to be loyal.
Which of him?
Hey.
What was the other one?
Oh, this one. Oh, be rejected. Rejected. Damn.
Oh.
No, I think he's most likely to be loyal. So
Yeah.
the other one would be rejected. I'm sorry.
This one right here.
What the fuck? Can't switch you up like that, bitch.
Yeah. Loyal.
What I tell you guys?
It's okay, Angel.
It's okay. Like that. Okay. It's okay, bro.
That's good, bro. You having that?
Yo, we got a question for you guys. So I had some
What's
time.
up? Damn.
Alright, hold up. Alright, so.
Hell.
Alright,
Down here. What the fuck?
alright, question.
Dang.
Alright, be quiet. No, I'm just kidding. Alright, question. Who's most likely to be a cheater, be loyal, or to get rejected?
Say.
Wait, what?
This is for YouTube.
No, this is
What
for.
the fuck? Why would it be for YouTube?
Yeah, why would it be for
That
YouTube?
shit, bro.
Bro, that's weird as fuck, you weirdos.
It's supposed to cheat.
Yeah, out of us three.
No.
Fuck, I don't know.
Alright, who's most likely to be rejected out of us?
Probably the dude to your.
To cheat or be rejected?
What? No, not that one. The other one next to you.
To cheat?
Projection.
Fucking bitch.
What about him?
Yeah, he's a cheater, bro. I bet.
He's a cheater?
What?
I'm loyal. Wait, he's a cheater?
Nah.
Wait, I'm confused.
Good.
I don't know if the video's kind of wavy, but that's how it is. It's a new wave.
New way, huh?
Trust the way.
Yo, what's up?
Is that better?
Have some time real quick.
That's real wavy.
Have some time real quick.
What?
Have some time real quick. Have some time. Alright. Alright, we're gonna play a little game. Just
Here. Alright. We got a question for you, okay? So I had some time, alright. Out of us three, alright? Who's most likely to cheat, be loyal, or be rejected? Let's start with him. Is he more likely to cheat, be rejected, or be loyal?
I don't know.
Answer the question, you know, it's no hard feelings.
Yeah.
Not you.
Hey,